Right on the man. She looks so beautiful in her rain jacket.
Hi.
Hi.
Represent freedom. Freedom.
Hey. And I'm not going to turn the camera around on me because I look like an Italian stuffed sausage. Wanna go swimming? Sure. Yes.
A few inches later.
So Jesse and I just went in. We were in there in the room for about an hour getting ready. Taking showers, getting dressed. And the water, I'm going to say it's definitely risen. I haven't looked at the previous footage to compare it. But, yeah. And there's been flooding in the areas now, so I don't know if this is like reaching into the streets or what. We're going to go try to venture over to Pigeon Forge. We may be stuck there. Not that I mind, but Jesse has to actually go back to work. I was asking Jess before if we should pack our luggage and put everything into the car just in case we can't get back to the hotel. What do you say?
No.
We're gonna know when we get over to the road. Dude, I feel like it's getting higher by the minute. There was no water there before, and now there's like a whirlpool over there. We'll see when we come back and what it's like tomorrow. It's supposed to stop raining. So. All right, where are we going? I don't remember the name of this place.
Right.
Petland. Right on the man. Jesse's scared though, I'm gonna go down these stairs. You can't really see all the way down, but you can go down there and step down there. It's completely submerged in water. It's like rushing over. I'm sure if I actually step down there, it doesn't seem like it. You can't really see it. If I step down there, it would suck me right down in. Still flooded. This right here, you used to be able to walk down here. Those benches are completely submerged in water. It's a lot calmer than it was yesterday, but it's still. It is cleaner, yeah. It was turning up all that mud. And broke a lot of trees down. There's a lot of rock slides on Parkway.